What's up, y'all? So today, as you guys can tell by the title, we're going to do this really quick back to school makeup look with affordable products. It's really quick and super easy. You guys know I love doing these little drugstore tutorial for you guys. So if you like what you see, make sure you stay tuned. If you're new here, this is your girl Angela, aka Criolas. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It will help me grow my channel. And let's get right into this video. Criola, 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 from Africa. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, Criola. What's up, y'all? Let's get right into this back to school beat. It's gonna be really simple. So we're gonna start with brows because I feel like I never show you guys what I actually use for my brows. It can be affordable and high-end, but because of this video I'm going to keep it affordable for my girls on a budget again. Now I'm going to use the Makeup Revolution brow soap, and this is what it looks like. It comes with a little brush. All I really do is spray the brush, or you can actually spray the pan as well, and dip the brush in it, which comes with the brush, and then just brush it up. Now I've really been feeling this brow soap. This is the affordable one. You know, they have the Anastasia as well, which I just started using, and it's not too bad either. And I just brush it up, and then I just turn this up, turn around, and then flatten it out. Okay, this is what we're working with, okay? Now, my girl put me onto this. This is the NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pencil. This has been working amazing. I really just, you know, fill in the brow with this pen wherever I feel like it's just too thin. So, I literally just go in with light strokes and fill it in. Literally just light strokes. And you know, I do have some spots in here that I don't have as much hair on it, so I just go in and fill them in with this one, just like this little arch right here, and make it look real. Okay, it's looking fire. Okay, it's looking fire. Okay, now that the brows are done, we're going to move on and clean them up a little bit. So what I've been using lately is the Crayon Case Concealer, and I have the affordable LA Girl Pro Concealer, which y'all know this is literally one of the most affordable concealers that I probably own, and the coverage is amazing. It's just bomb. So I use this shade, which is closer to my skin tone, at the front of my brow, which I saw that lace by, no, her name is Jasmine Matier now on YouTube. Y'all can look her up. She's amazing. So put darker shade in the front of your brow, and then go with the lighter shade at the end of your brow. I feel like that looks so much better. Shout out to you, girl. But yeah, so I'm just going to go in and literally take some of this off of the applicator. I'm not really a fan of the applicator of this concealer, but I just make it work. So literally just apply it at the front of the brow. Okay, now that we have the front of the brow done, this is the shade in medium beige. I hope this is not too light because I'm planning on using this as my concealer. This is actually a brand new one, so I haven't even used this. I haven't used it in a while, to be honest. I think the last time I used this concealer was when I first started YouTube, and you know, this was literally the only concealer I had. And people just be sleeping on it, especially if you're a beginner, and even if you're like a makeup artist. This is amazing. Don't sleep on LA Girl. So I have a little plate right here that I apply my concealer. I don't like to apply it on my hand like that anymore. I don't know, you know, I be changing it up all the time. So now I'm going to take some of this product and apply it to this end. I see how clean this is about to look. Yes, ma'am. I actually need to go and get my brows done. And we're gonna blend this puppy out, okay? And I'm actually going to apply that same shade onto my lid as well, just to use it as a base so we have an even base. Y'all already know the drill, okay? We just using this, doing this with affordable products. You already know the vibes. So if you are new to my channel, hey girl, hey, don't forget to subscribe, you know, because you don't want to miss any of my next videos, baby girl. And if once I clean my brows up and I feel like I still need to go back in and fill some of the spots, I'll just go after, because you can really see where it needs to be filled in, you feel me? Alright, we're really not gonna do a lot to the eyelid, but I just want to move on to the face and then we'll go back to the eyes. I might do like a little wing, you know, just to look cute or whatever. Nothing too big, because I feel like when you go to school you don't really want to do too much, not even a wing, but sometimes, you know, you pop that wing on and you're good to go. So I'm going to use two primers, which this one is the Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. This is going to help obviously with my pores, and then this is just going to keep my skin really nice and hydrated. I love this one. It has hyaluronic acid in it, so you already know how I feel about that. This is by ColourPop and this is by Maybelline. Like I said, I don't know if I mentioned it, to be honest, but I will be putting all the links to these products down below, so check out the description box. And a video on this bomb wig install will be up on my channel as well, so y'all stay tuned, okay? Listen, I did my thing on this lace and can nobody tell me nothing. Okay, skin looking good, is ready and prepped. So now we're moving on to foundation. We're going to use the Morphe 2 foundation. It's school time, you don't want to have a full coverage. Well, maybe you do, but if it would be me wearing makeup to school, I wouldn't want a full coverage. I would go either with a tinted moisturizer or to sheer medium coverage. So we're going to use this Morphe 2 foundation. I think I used it before on here, and we're gonna shake it up and apply it. I really just like the way it feels, and it doesn't feel like heavy or none of that, but it gives me enough coverage. Now if you have problematic, I don't know if I said that right, skin, I would definitely suggest to go in and cover those with a concealer or color correcting before you go in with a sheer to medium foundation. Now I feel like a lot of people think you have to have a full coverage foundation. Now no, you don't. It really depends on how you cover these blemishes or dark under eyes, and then you can even use a medium coverage foundation. But if you want a more detailed video on that, yeah, let me know and I got y'all. Don't forget, if you want a really detailed foundation routine of mine, I do have I do have a video on that, very detailed, and what I do to get a flawless finish. So yeah, check that out. I will be putting the link down below or somewhere up here. Okay, I have two different concealers here. So I have the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer, which is so bomb. I'm not going to use this today, but just in case you want a really good coverage and the consistency of it is really thick, this is the way to go. I used this on my last drugstore tutorial, so make sure you check that out. People be sleeping on it. I just got hip on it. I'm trying to put y'all on it. But now, for this look, I'm just going to use the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. One of my favorite one, really nice and creamy, gives me coverage, don't feel too heavy, none of that. We're gonna use this. This one is in the shade Dark 40, and I totally forgot what shade I am in the foundation. So this is Hint of Ginger in the foundation of Morphe 2. I be forgetting to tell y'all what shade I am. Yeah, I don't do that on purpose, I swear. So we're just going to apply some of that on here. Like when I used to go to school, I really never wore makeup, but like this is something that I would wear now if I would go back to school. Now I do go to school now. I know that sounds mad weird, but I did start going to school. But it's like most of the time when I go to school, I'm ready to go to the gym, and usually when I go to the gym, I do not wear any makeup because it's just, I don't know, I just don't like it. So when I go to school, I just go barefaced, okay? Me all natural. But we're going to use this e.l.f. concealer blender, whatever, and we're just going to blend this out. And you don't want to swipe it when you blend out. You want to literally just dab it in. So like that, you still get the coverage that you want. Now swiping is not going to give you as much coverage as you would like. That's just some tips for y'all, okay? Like I said, that foundation routine will be down below, and I literally drop all the tips and tricks for flawless foundation routine, okay? Now y'all see this already looks really nice and flawless with, you know, affordable products. You don't have to spend a lot of money for a flawless face, just to let you guys know. Okay, now you guys know I love me the Maybelline Lasting Fix Banana setting powder. This is one of my all-time favorite right now. I think I use it on almost all my videos, so excuse me, but this is it. Now that it's all set, I like to use the Morphe. Let me get that out. The Morphe. Oh, this is empty. That gotta go. Okay, the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. You already know how I love this one. Okay, now for contour, or like more of a bronze look. Yeah, not really contour. I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Bronze palette. This is in the shade Dark. And we're going to use actually both shades, one for blush and one for bronzing. So I'm going to use my angled brush. This is by Morphe E4, and this is definitely my favorite brush to literally contour, like powder contour or bronze. This is it. I know it's a little bright, it's, you know, taking forever for this look, and I did this wig too. But anyway, we're moving on to lashes. The lashes that I'm going to use are the Adele in what is it, 113, and I feel like these are so comfortable, still looking natural, but still give you what it's supposed to give, if you see what I mean. Okay, yes sir. So I'm just going to take these off. The band is really thin, like it's a clear band, so it is very comfortable even if you are not so familiar with lashes. So yeah, I'm going to use the, what is it, Duo Lash Glue, and just apply some on here. If I'm talking too fast, that's because I'm kind of in a rush, but I still want this to get done. I gotta go pick up my kids, so I need to hurry up. But anyway, I hope you guys are doing great and enjoying my videos, okay? Because I'm about to start school again, so I have to plan out my content a little better. Because I've been really lazy, I'm not gonna lie, and I haven't been feeling social media like that. So yeah, but if you want to see like more of me and what I do throughout the day, you can always add me on Snapchat. I'll be on Snapchat a lot more than I am on Instagram lately. So if you're interested, make sure you add me on Snapchat and we can chop it up there, okay? Okay, now we're just going to apply this. And you like to use a mirror from the bottom. There we go. Y'all see this? It looks really natural. I like that. Is it quick? This is literally a quick beat for, you know, for a school day, in my opinion. If you feel the same way, y'all let me know down below, because that's something I would rock to school. I forgot to apply my liner, but you know what, we can just rock it like that. If you feel like adding a liner, that is totally up to you. You could rock that and still look fire. Now I totally forgot about it. Like I said, I'm a little bit in a rush, but that's my fault, not y'all. So anyway, moving on to the lips. I'm just going to apply like a really nice clear gloss. Not clear, but it has a little tint to it. Okay, as you guys know, I always lip line my lips, but we're just going to do just a little bit, not too much. And I'm using the NYX lip pencil in Espresso. Whoops, I done dropped it. Why y'all ain't tell me my lips is crusty? Why? Here I am giving y'all tips and y'all tell me that these lips is crusty right now. Alright, the gloss that I'm going to use is by NYX as well. This is Milky Gloss in the shade Milky Pink, and I just love the shade. Now lastly, we're going to use the ColourPop All Star Face Spray, the setting spray. And when it first came out, this is all I used to use, so I'm like, bring it back. Girl, you need to bring it back. So, you know what? Oh wow, this looks a little crazier. But you know, once you get so used to having the Morphe spray, the way it sprays, you're just so used to having all these setting sprays sprayed the same way. And so, yeah, I don't know. I just love the way this comes out, y'all. This is just my favorite. But anyway, this is the makeup look, and I'm about to change and show you guys my little school outfit that I feel like I would rock. So if you guys like it, don't go nowhere, okay? Don't go nowhere. Yeah, stay tuned. Let's go and check this outfit out. Alright, now that we are on the outfit part, by the way, these are actually my glasses. I wear these things every day because I am really blind, if you guys didn't know. But anyway, this is a top that I thought would be super cute to wear back to school. It says good vibes and it has the little peace sign, right? And I think it's just cute, you know. It's very comfortable. I think I got that from Ross, which is funny because the pants that I have on is from Ross as well. So these are mad cute. Now the only thing that I don't like is with Ross, I can't put down the link of the outfits, but Ross is pretty affordable, and if you really look, you can find some really cute outfits in there. So don't be sleeping on Ross, okay? Now this one was, I think, $10. I did have this a while back. I did get this a while back, and I just thought it was cute. Then now to the pants. I feel like these pants, these are mom jeans actually, and it also comes with this belt, which I think is super cute. I paired this outfit with these Vans. Now I feel like you can really pair this outfit with anything. So yeah, this is really up to you what you want to pair them with. But I think this is a really casual look for school, comfortable, you know, still looking cute though. So yeah, this is definitely like a really comfortable outfit in my opinion. A really chill vibes, you know, good vibes as always, and super affordable. I'm sorry, I didn't think of the part where I can't actually put the link down below. Now if I can find it, I'm gonna go and see if I can find a brand name of these clothes, and if I can find it, I will be putting them down below for sure. I promise I will look into that. Now you can really pair these pants or this top or this top with anything, to be honest. So you know, if you're really feeling it. Also, I think I mentioned that earlier, if you do want a wig tutorial on this melted wig, baby, make sure you stay tuned. If you like what you see so far, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, this is your girl Angela, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand.